trying to cool off in the water, and Daisy wants to join him, but he's not making any room for her. Donald, let Daisy in! Donald, let Daisy in the water too. She wants to get in too. Hey, you try to splash her instead of letting her in? Come on, Donald, let her in the water. Daisy, go on in. Go on in, Daisy. Donald, make some room for her.
Donald!
Oh, Daisy's gonna give up. Walk away. Oh, here comes she back. She's coming back. She's determined. Come on, guys, you can share. Go on, Daisy, your turn.
Your turn, Daisy. Come on in the bathtub.
Go on, Daisy. Go on in. Your turn. Okay, now it's Daisy's turn.